Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of this Replay Classics Matchbox set. We picked this up from Walmart here about a week ago, and it's part of their 80th anniversary Mattel series. They got quite a few things out there Mattel related. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this. We'll show you all four cars in there, and yeah, it's a pretty cool set. Alright guys, as you can see here we have a 1963 Ford F100, Divco milk truck, 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 302, and my favorite of the pack, the 1955 Porsche 550 Spyder. Alright guys, let's get this thing unboxed. They are. And we'll start with the milk truck. We'll take this guy out and take a peek. So, no moving parts on the side. It looks like the rear doors do open on this one. So that's kind of cool. Probably my least favorite of the 4-pack. Not sure if anyone's going to be interested in picking one of these up as a keychain, but we shall see. Alright, next one, let's go with the F100. 1963, looks like it's a long box. Pretty cool truck. And the hood opens on this one. I don't know if you guys can see in there. A little hard to see the engine there, but it's got a fairly detailed view of the engine. I kind of dig that one. Not a bad casting. Alright, time for the Boss. The Boss 302. It's kind of like an off-white, beigeish color on this guy. But it is a nice casting. Red interior on that one. 1969. And then this one also has the opening hood with another fairly detailed engine. See in there. Okay, and my favorite of the pack, the 550 Spyder. This thing is cool. Not sure why they put the number 53 on there when it's a 55 Spyder, so they claim. Maybe they should have put 55. But you can see the interior there, guys. And my favorite part, the opening back hatch. Now you can really see the engine on that one. That is pretty cool. I have not seen this casting before. Alright guys, so there's the unboxing of the Matchbox Replay Classics 4-pack. Pretty cool cars. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe guys. Stay tuned for our next hunt video that'll be coming out next week. Have a good one.